Gold USD prices recovered on Friday, notwithstanding dwindling anticipations of imminent interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve, Fed. As policymakers express skepticism regarding the 2% inflation target, the precious metal undergoes a significant recovery. Fed officials are inclined to sustain interest rates between 5.25% and 5.5% for a prolonged duration. Non-yielding assets like gold lose their appeal when the Federal Reserve intends to maintain elevated interest rates. Safe haven asset futures will be substantially impacted by market sentiment regarding rate reduction by the Federal Reserve. From a geopolitical standpoint, the increased bombardment in Rafah is ascribed to actions taken by Israel and the United States, which heightens uncertainty and may encourage the appreciation of safe haven assets such as the US dollar. The ongoing buying pressure is valid in the daily chart of gold USD as it holds momentum above the dynamic 20 EMA. Following the long-term trend, a valid bullish channel breakout could be a strong buying opportunity for this pair, targeting the 2,120 level. An immediate selling pressure might lower the price to the channel support after moving below the 2,000 mark.